Hello everyone, this is Priya Singh from Khwab Zindagi Ke. Today I would like to talk about menstruation at workplaces. What comes first in our mind when we talk about menstruation? The stigma, taboos associated with menstruation. How many of us talk about menstruation at workplaces? How many of us think about menstruation at workplaces? None of us. What if a woman get her period at office? A workplace is where a woman spend approximately 9 to 10 hours every day. It becomes her second home, and when it comes to menstruation, changes have to be made. In most of the offices in India, women do not have access to sanitary napkin when she need it the most. Offices usually have medical boxes available, but they don't contain sanitary napkins. By adding sanitary napkins to their medical boxes, offices can create more equitable workspace, and it will also make women feel safe and acknowledged. Here I would like to talk about menstruation leaves as well. Menstruation leave is something which needs to be addressed. A girl should have a choice to take a day off from work at the time of menstruation instead of working in pain and taking multiple pills. Offices needs to be more open about menstruation discussions. We need to create an environment where a woman can talk about her menstruation openly without having a second thought. Lastly, I would like to conclude by giving a message to all the girls and women out there. Let your sanitary napkin take an open walk from your work desk to toilet. It need not to be hidden under your kurta, in your pocket, or in your bags. There is nothing to be ashamed of. Let's have an open discussion about menstruation. Let's talk. आओ बात करें. On 28th of May, on World Menstrual Hygiene Day, only on Khwab Zindagi Ke. Thank you so much.